What's going on, friends? Welcome to Chupacabra Tech. This is Miguel the Goat, as you all know. And quick video today. Just wanted to let everybody know that I'm still well and alive, and I'm still here. I needed to talk about something. I have no idea what. So I went to the Discord server and I started reading around, and I saw some folks talking about maybe trading their Helium for another token that they could stake and earn large rewards versus doing the Helium staking in the Helium staking platform that I'm doing. Folks like Nerdy Dude Stuff is doing as well, and there's a number of others. And I was just thinking, is that a good idea or not? I saw that and I figured I'd think about it and look into it. Why not? I mean, that's what I do here at Chupacabra Tech, right? Just we look at stuff, we talk about whatever, we learn, and I figure, hey, why not? Let's give it a let's take a look at it, see what I could potentially figure out. At the end of my research, I decided that no, there's no way. This is a no-go for me. Many reasons why. You know, First and foremost, I personally consider Helium to be a safe haven for my money. I truly believe in Helium. I do believe that Helium is going to keep their price. I think Helium is going to, at the very least, maintain its value. But if you ask me, and if you ask a lot of other, Helium enthusiasts, I think that we will all tell you that we think Helium is going to be $100 coin or more at some point. Not today, not tomorrow, maybe not even this year. Over a period of time. But a lot of us believe that that to be the case, and there's many reasons for it. Because when I decided to look into that question, should I be taking some of my Helium and converting it to XYZ coin over here that's paying 2,500% rewards, versus the little itty bitty that I make over here? You have to look into it, right? Because that's a heck of a reward. You have to look into it. So, I did. And like I said, at the end of the day, I decided no. But, you look at Helium, and like I said, it's a safe haven. The company, the services they provide, the number of Helium miners going up exponentially every day, the partnerships, the market cap, the expansion of their services into 5G, into so much. Helium, Helium is doing a very, very good job overall. And, the way they've dealt with this rapid expansion, it's absolutely insane. I mean, yeah, they've had a glitch here and there, but that's to be expected. I mean, for real, Helium is ridiculously grown. I mean, it's stupid. And, to sit here and see how they've managed, to figure it out. I mean, really, they've had a glitch here and there, but nothing too crazy, really. I have to give them a lot of credit. These people know what they're doing, and I think they're going to be very successful. That being said, again, Helium is a safe haven. I really do believe it'll be $100 or more in a number of years, and to me, it's difficult to compare Helium to any other coin, because the vast majority of the rewards from Helium are going to be in the form of the price of the token. Right now, miners like myself are earning, half, maybe a helium a day if you're lucky. We're earning every day. We're earning helium, and that's helium that we're just it's being deposited into our wallets. I'm not buying it on any of the exchanges. I'm not transferring, so I'm not. It's I've already paid for the equipment, so it's costing me zero to earn these coins. Yes, we can argue that, oh, Miguel, you paid all this much for the equipment and the antennas. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Point is that it's not costing me anything. I'm not going into Coinbase or any exchange that sells helium. I'm buying it. I'm earning it. So yeah, I really truly believe that, helium, it's a safe haven for my money. I don't want to take helium, trade it, creating a taxable event, because every time you trade one coin for another, it's taxable. Uncle Sam's going to say, gimme, gimme, and not only that, but then taking the money from somewhere that it's potentially so safe and putting it somewhere that potentially is not. That's the reason these programs pay you so much. A lot of these projects also rely in the power of referral. It is what it is. It's okay. No problem. I mean, it is what it is. You run your business however you want to run it. But, what I'm saying is, long story short, am I selling my helium for another coin just to earn more? No. Let me show you guys real quick. I don't think I've shown you this yet, but here's a chart of the helium price as of this morning. It might be a little less than this right now. It's probably around here right now. Who knows? But anyways, you get the idea. I drew these lines real quick. You guys have probably seen these before. These are the lines that a lot of chart analysis people do. And when you look at the highs, you look at the lows, you look at the steady line. This, to me, it's great. Steady, slow but steady upward trend. There's nothing to be said. There's nothing to be said. I do believe that helium has a very bright future, and this could potentially, end up over here about $75 or maybe even $100 at some point. Like I said, no financial advice. This is just things that people like myself believe, because there isn't any indicator telling us that that's not possible. So, you just got to be careful. Ultimately you do what you do. It's your money, it's your investment. It is what it is. But just be careful. Know that there are taxable events. Know that you could, you're potentially putting your money that's so safe. Statistically speaking, safe versus putting it somewhere where it probably isn't so safe. And I would reconsider. Now, if you have an extra 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 bucks that you say, hey, listen, I got 500 bucks. I want to risk this 500 bucks. I think I want to take this 500 bucks and put them on a high risk, high reward. See what happens. My opinion, I always tell my friends and my family, look, don't risk something you cannot afford to lose. But if you can, and you want to try something different, then do it. Go ahead and put $200, $300, $400, $500 on one of these high risk, then go for it and see what happens. But I personally wouldn't recommend you taking your highly safe, in my opinion, and statistically speaking, highly safe money, converting it and putting it somewhere else. You could do that, your option, but I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. I would keep helium where it is, keep stacking it, keep earning, and go from there. Go from there. Like I said, let me show you guys something else real quick. Helium rewards, they stack. This is 10 days. They stack up. I've earned, after fees and all that, I've earned a 0.033, which is $1.10. So about 11 cents a day. Not a big number, but this is just the beginning. And I'm prepared to continue to contribute to this staking. Okay, so those numbers are going to go up. Okay, those numbers are going to go up. Let me show you this one here too. See the stakes. Every day I earn, every day I earn some, and it's automatically staked. So very, very cool system, very cool platform these people have. And I highly recommend them. I highly recommend them. Some check out that description, you guys. I'm gonna leave that link with the referral. Just use my referral, get yourself a 10% off of of the 4%. The way they do it is basically instead of paying a 4%, you go down to a 3.6%. Whatever. Just do that, and just you'll have your helium is still safe. You're here. That's one of the things about this. That remember, if you trade your helium for another coin, you no longer have your helium. Okay. So, you're potentially risking your helium in full. I would much rather risk cash than my helium. I don't even know. That's probably as good as I can put it. I just thought of that. I would much rather take $500 cash and put him in some high risk, high reward and risk that than risk trading my helium for something else and staking XYZ coin because they're going to pay me 2,500% APR or whatever. Anyways, you guys, hopefully this information is useful. Like I said, this is just chatter. Don't torture me. I'm not an expert. I'm just saying this is my personal assessment of why I do not want to take my helium and convert it. I'm not saying don't get involved with any of these high risk, high rewards. I'm not saying that. I'm saying don't convert your helium. Leave your helium alone. Leave it where it is. Okay. And if you have some extra cash to spare, use that instead. Leave your helium where it is because you don't know where helium is going tomorrow. And I can almost it's by looking at the charts and I can almost tell you, I can almost guarantee you that it's not going to be down long term. Okay, not tomorrow, not next month, long term. I don't think helium is going to be down. I think we're all going to be nicely rewarded over a period of time with helium. So keep that in mind, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video if you liked it. Comment below or talk to me on my Discord, which the link will be in the description. And yeah, guys, just hold on to that helium. Hold on to it if you can, man. I'm a total believer. I'm a believer in helium, just like I'm a believer in other coins like Cardano and stuff like that. Just be patient, hold on to it. I think you'll be rewarded. All of us will be rewarded nicely in the end. So, all right, guys, have a great weekend. God bless. We'll see you.